Good evening, brothers. Welcome to A Brown Bag Gentleman. My name is Scott, and today we have a unboxing. I saw some handle, a guy who makes some shaving brush handles and what have you on Shave Dad. I was looking through, looking through all that chats and what have you too, and came across him. Started up a chat with him too about possibility of making a shave brush. Then it turned into maybe making a razor handle, and yeah, kind of went from there in conversations. And so, yeah, I placed an order. So this is the order. I tell you, this guy, Craig Budgeon, I hope I pronounced that properly. I apologize if I did not. He was talking about, well, taking his time and all this to do that. Well, I mean, I've got this within like 4 days, maybe 3 or 4 days of our last conversation. So if that's him taking his time, I'd hate to see how fast it is when he's in a hurry. Super quick. I'm very impressed. So Craig, yes, thank you. And of course, it's Opus Shave Brush is the company. So let's open this sucker up and see what I got. There we go. Get that one. Sorry, you're not seeing the two windows opening, but the camera's kind of high on my mirror here in the bathroom. Wanting to be safe with a sharp knife, because I just sharpened this like a few days ago, so it's sharp. So yeah, let's open this up. I'm gonna put my glasses on here so I can see just a tick better. well padded here for sure. So what we got? What we got in here? Okay, there's some sunglasses in here. Okay, I'm gonna have to see, because he said he was gonna put in some surprises, so that's a surprise. Okay. Let's see what we got. Oh. We got a sticker yet. That's probably going on my toolbox. Yeah, my toolbox in my garage. I have a Craftsman toolbox. That's probably going on there, Craig. So just so you know. And let's see here. Pop's whole bean roasted coffee is what that's from. Okay, so this is whole bean roasted coffee. Okay, another thing. Another thing. I tell you, that Craig guy must be all kinds of stuff. Let's see, what is this that I'm on? Now, I only ordered, when I placed my order, I only ordered a razor handle and a shave brush with a knot. He also made this. This is the shave brush holder. I've never had a shave brush holder. And you'll see how it's like that sort of honeycomb. That's the theme of what I asked him to do. And I said that he could take carte blanche on that. So yeah, so this is his interpretation of what I asked for. So, and when he showed me the pictures, I was absolutely enthused. So we got that. Oh, and this apparently glows in the dark. Let's see, can we show you that? Well, sort of. I mean, the window's open, but you can see how bright that's showing in the darkness. Yeah. Yeah. that glows in the dark. I don't know if the handle does or not, but the material you use for the stand does. So let's see, which one is it? I'm looking for the brush. This feels like the brush. Okay, this must be the brush. And that is the brush. So I asked him for, honeycomb style. Fits nice in the hand. Oh yeah, it's sunk. That just sinks right in. It anchors in. Oh yeah. And the knot, he wasn't sure about. The knot he got from a company going out of business that's now kind of like been reestablished in business. I can't remember the name of it, but that knot, not really knowing, it's Badger. We just don't know if it's Best Badger or Silvertip. We just don't know. Dang, that looks like Silvertip to me. When I look at that, that looks like Silvertip. We'll find out for sure. But yeah, this is the brush he made. And I didn't even ask him I basically asked he threw that knot in for like $30. How am I going to say that, even for Best Badger? How am I going to say no to that? That's nice. So again, Craig, thank you. That looks awesome. Nice little extra couple of lines there. Just attention to detail there. I'm liking that. I am liking that a whole lot. Does that glow in the dark? Can we tell? I'm holding it up underneath the lights that are right above the camera here. Let's see if this works. Oh. I can't tell if that's glowing. It might be. I can't tell. So I'll play with that later. But this, he showed me this picture too. He showed me, that's how that sits. I've never owned either a razor whole, like stand or a brush. I've never owned one. So this is the first for me. And having that go like sideways instead of like the hanging style. Because I never like the hanging style. It's like, that's kind of cool. I will probably use that. I probably will. I'm thinking I will use this. I think that's kind of cool. And that's the thing about is the DE shaving is to enjoy it and have fun with it. So to me, I thought this was a fun purchase. And Craig was certainly able to help me have some fun. So this must be the razor handle. Oh yeah. And all I told him was that my favorite style of handle was the Bishop style, and I sent him a couple pictures of the Bishop style handles on razors that I have, and this is his interpretation of that. So yeah. I mean, you can't tell balance right now because it doesn't have a head on it. But see, there is a metal insert there for screwing in the razor head. So now I've got choices to make about what to put. I think I told him I was going to put Edwin Jagger in there, my old Edwin Jagger. But of course, you saw my last unboxing too. I've got a new Edwin Jagger 316. So I might have to think about putting that in this. I think that's a strong idea to do, because I think my Edwin Jagger is my next video that I'm going to do. It might just have to sit on this. It just might have to. But look at that. And see the lines down here. I like his artistic interpretation, the way it skinnies down. It goes, flares out again. And yes, it's plastic. So yes, it's lighter weight, that type of thing. But if I put it on an Edwin Jagger, that might balance very well. So the gears are turning in my head what to do with this. And I might have some fun with this, putting on various razor heads. I've already got a couple in my mind that I'm thinking about. Yeah, we got to try this handle on that. So I'm going to have fun with this. And that's the idea, is to have some fun with it. And yeah, I'm going to hold this stuff under light and then see if it glows in the dark too. If it does, it's a novelty. Then again, fun. And that's all we're doing, just having some fun with shaving products. So yes, I am very pleased with this. And that pair of sunglasses is kind of a cool thing. I'm just double checking here to make sure there's nothing else. Oh, there's something else. Okay. I think I know what that is. Craig, you are a wild man. I think I know what this is. Do you know what this is? I think I know exactly what that is. And putting a little sticky tape on the back to stick that to something might give you a clue to what this would hold. I think you know what this would hold, but Craig, you didn't say anything about this, and now I'm going to go be looking on your website, what have you too, and then looking in Shave Dad too, because I'm not going to say it here because I want people to guess what this is. So give me your guesses of what you think this is. That's what it looks like, front to back, bottom. So yeah, Craig, you absolutely outdid yourself. I am very impressed, very pleased, and very thankful. So with that, I want to say, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you have a wonderful and joyous Easter tomorrow, Easter Sunday. And with that, go with God.